Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I will be reviewing the AOCHUAN Smart X2 Gimbal. It's a 3-axis smart gimbal that is specially designed for phones. Even though these days phones have inbuilt stabilization, but additional stabilization wouldn't hurt. Especially if the gimbal has features like 3-axis anti-shake, an LED full screen indicator, gesture control, built-in extension rod, has AI face tracking and many other tracking features, intelligent gimbal moves, has its own app and many other features. In this video, I will be talking about all these features in detail. We will also look at the build quality, specifications, and see the actual use of this gimbal. And I will give my opinion for you at the end of this video. So let's start this video with a quick unboxing. So let's see what's inside the box. Inside the box, the first thing I will be taking out is the tripod. This tripod can be used for making the gimbal stand when it's recording the video. You don't have to use it in your hands all the time. Actually, you can just put it on a table and let it record using AI technology. And it has the gimbal itself. We will talk about the gimbal ahead in this video. There is a USB Type-C to A cable. That is for charging the gimbal, I guess. And finally in the box you will find a manual. I highly recommend you to read the manual because if you don't read it, you will not be able to understand the many features of this gimbal. So if you want to effectively use those features, I highly recommend you to read this manual. The gimbal is built by good quality materials. It has a matte black finish and it feels good in the hands. It's not that heavy. It's only 365 grams. It comes with a 800 mAh battery. The gimbal doesn't feel flimsy and it comes with an extension rod, so if you are into selfies or want to have a wider view, the selfie stick will be highly helpful. It also has a tripod so you can record videos while the gimbal follows you using AI face detection and object tracking. I really like the design of the phone holder. It is simple but made very well. Let's see how easy it is to attach and remove the phone from this gimbal. Attaching the phone to the gimbal was pretty much easy. I just opened up the holder and put the phone on it, and that was it. After attaching the phone to the gimbal, press the power button and the gimbal is ready. On the display screen of the gimbal, you will see the battery level, which mode you are using, Bluetooth connectivity, and other information. After downloading the app to your phone, you can connect your phone to the gimbal using Bluetooth. You can change various settings. You can use different kind of effects. For example, here you can use trajectory delay, you can use time lapse, video you can record, you can take pictures, you can do panorama mode, the Hitchcock effect, and the Inception movie effect, and various different moves can be recorded as well. You can also use the tracking mode for tracking face, body, and objects. In addition to this, you can use hand gestures to control the gimbal. I will demonstrate the main features of this gimbal ahead in this video. You can adjust the orientation of the phone and different angles using the joystick on this gimbal, so it is very convenient to adjust the camera angle and things like that using the joystick. And if you want to just reorient the phone into horizontal or vertical, you will just press the orientation button on this gimbal. So it is very easy and convenient to use this gimbal. For using the zoom in, zoom out feature, you will have to install the app, and you can zoom in and zoom out of the video using the scroll wheel on the gimbal. In the next few clips, I will show you the AI tracking feature of this gimbal. For this purpose, I will be using the gimbal on a tripod. In this first demonstration, I will be tracking a toy Lego car, and let's see how this gimbal actually tracks it. This is me first time using it, so let's see how it works. The gimbal is tracking it quite right. I was not expecting it will be so much quick. Maybe the video will be jittery or not. Here is the video that I recorded using the AI tracking of this gimbal. It is smooth enough. Now let's try tracking a smaller object like this Lego man. I wonder how it will perform while tracking a smaller object. Now let's see, and let's record this video as well. It is still tracking it quite fine. It is not tracking the objects behind it. It is actually tracking the Lego man as it should. I'm really impressed. And here is the actual video that I recorded using the gimbal. The tracking was really good and it was moving up and down along with the Lego man. But there is one thing I noticed, that there is a bit of a jitter when there is a sudden movement, but it's not that much that it will affect the video quality. Now let's see how it works while video tracking a white object, because there is something white in the background as well. I want to see that does it get confused or not, but no, it is working as I expected. I'm really impressed. And here is the video captured using the gimbal. Now I will demonstrate the feature that is used to track the body. You just go to the tracking options and select body, and the gimbal will track the body automatically. This is very helpful if you travel alone and you want to shoot a video like a vlog or something. This feature will come handy. Now I will show you the demonstration of one of the special effects of this gimbal. It's called the inception mode, in which the phone rotates in a circular path. So this is the clip recorded using the gimbal. There is a bit of a jitter. It's not that smooth, but this special effect can be handy for you if you want to add some special effects in your videos. In this clip, I will run holding the gimbal. I am using the phone's own camera app for this video. You will notice that there is no jitter or any vibration happening while I'm running. You can also track objects while you are moving. For example, here I am tracking the car, and the gimbal will adjust the angle according to the location of the car, so the car will always stay in the frame. I recorded this video using the phone's own camera app instead of using the AOCHUAN app, and the gimbal performed quite well. Actually, I will be using the default camera app for recording videos most of the time, because I don't use tracking features or any special effects. I just want simple stabilization. But if you are into special effects, filters, and you are into tracking objects or vlogging alone, in such situations, the AOCHUAN app will be helpful. So my final opinions about this gimbal are that if you are looking for a gimbal that provides effective stabilization and which is packed with AI features like object detection, body detection, face detection, hand gestures, so many filters and special effects, this gimbal will be really suitable for you. And this was all about today's video. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you liked this video, a thumbs up will be really appreciated. Till next time, have a good one.